Hello, my name is Cooper Downs. I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Manager at Kinney Manufacturing. Bystronic's interfaces and programming have evolved over the years to match the sophistication of the machines. Our operators enjoy the touch interface that makes operating the machine like using a tablet, and training new operators is more efficient because the basic information is presented in an easily digestible format. Our Bystronic equipment allows us to know that we have the overall efficiency to continue to develop and grow our company to meet our customers' expectations for quality, on-time delivery, and pricing. Our long-term relationship with Bystronic ensures that as we continue to grow and develop our company, we will continue to have access to new technology and machines from Bystronic that support growth.
Hello, my name is Randy Kinney. I'm the owner and CEO of Kinney Manufacturing. We have locations in both Beatrice and Lincoln, Nebraska. Kinney Manufacturing got started as a contract metal fab business about 12 years ago. We support multiple industries, and we've been able to support our customers with exceptional on-time delivery and our willingness to invest and grow along to support their growth. When we started with Bystronic, we saw that Bystronic was also focused on growing their fiber laser equipment and the technology to support that. The higher powered Bystronic fiber lasers allowed us to increase our capacity and to support our customers' growth. We also wanted to start with robotic bending. The mobile bending cell, along with an Expert 40, allowed us to utilize the robotic bending while efficiently and operating the brake manually as needed.
Hello, my name is Kirk Havoc, Operations Manager at Kinney Manufacturing. We had multiple branded machines that required programming on different platforms. Also, our older machines were all CO2 machines, which required a secondary operation to remove oxidation on the edges. The laser automation and mobile bending cells also allow us to continue to grow our capacity while managing our workforce requirements. We use a concept of monitored automation, which we believe allows our people to monitor multiple machines and ensure that our equipment has the highest level of productivity.